Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade wine easy method. Sanitize all equipment before starting to prevent contamination. Start by selecting ripe fruit and crushing it gently, then add sugar to reach your target gravity and pitch wine yeast. Stir daily and keep fermentation at a steady temperature to encourage healthy yeast activity. After primary fermentation, press, rack into a carboy, and age until clear and balanced for bottling. Pick fruit or juice that tastes great because that flavor carries through to the bottle. Weigh or measure sugar to target the alcohol level you want and dissolve it in warm water before mixing with your must. Add yeast nutrient and check pH to keep yeast happy. Pitch the yeast gently and give the must a light stir to incorporate oxygen for a strong fermentation start that sets you up for success. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is perfect for catching stray grape bits and dust during cleanup, with voice control that lets you keep your hands free for kitchen work. It even learns your space to clean smarter. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Monitor fermentation closely and keep things warm, but not hot so yeast can work steadily. Watch for bubbling in the airlock as a sign of activity, and give the must brief oxygenation early on if needed. When activity slows, rack off the lees to another vessel to clarify and avoid bitter notes. Patience here pays off, and a calm, controlled process will yield cleaner flavors and smoother aging in the bottle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.